Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 11 on the Reddit application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the Reddit app on your device, but you get an error stating error code 11, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. First of all, you will need to check if you are updated to the latest version of Reddit app. So open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and then search for Reddit. Once you find the Reddit application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. After the updates are installed, go ahead and open up the app and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then long press on the Reddit app and tap on the info button. Now from the info page, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first and then stop the application. After this, scroll down and tap on storage, and now from the storage menu, you will find the clear data button at the bottom left corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will also find the delete button. After tapping on delete, all of your user data on the Reddit application will be deleted. Once this step is complete, go ahead and open up the Reddit app once again, and now you will be asked to log into your account once again, but now your issue will be fixed after you log in. And there you have it. That is how you can fix error code 11 on the Reddit app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.